What if one morning you opened your eyes, not on Earth, but on Mars? The first thing you'd notice is the silence. No birds singing, no traffic, no wind rustling through trees, just endless red land stretching to the horizon beneath a dusty orange sky. Your home wouldn't be a normal house. It would be a sealed habitat made to protect you from deadly radiation and freezing temperatures. Stepping outside without a spacesuit wouldn't be dangerous, it would be impossible. Within seconds, your body would be exposed to an environment where humans simply can't survive. Looking outside your window, you wouldn't see oceans or forests. You'd see giant craters, rocky mountains, and clouds of red dust drifting across the landscape. Every sunrise would look different, with a pale blue glow appearing near the horizon before the sky turned orange. One of the strangest things about living on Mars would be gravity. Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity, so every step would feel lighter. You could jump much higher than on Earth, carry heavier objects with ease, and moving around would almost feel like slow motion. But life wouldn't feel free. Every breath you take would depend on machines producing oxygen. Every drop of water would be recycled. Every meal would be carefully grown inside special greenhouses because nothing grows naturally on Mars. Simple things we take for granted on Earth, like rain, fresh air, or walking barefoot on grass, would become precious memories. And then there's the distance. Mars is so far away that even a message to Earth can take several minutes to arrive. If you wanted to call your family, there would be awkward pauses between every sentence. You could never have a normal conversation in real time. Imagine celebrating your birthday, millions of kilometers away from everyone you've ever known. Still, Mars would offer something Earth never could. At night, you'd look up and see two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, racing across the sky. And somewhere in the distance, you'd spot a small, bright star. That star would actually be Earth, your entire world, reduced to a tiny dot in the darkness. Living on Mars wouldn't just test your body, it would test your mind. Isolation, loneliness, and the constant awareness that help is millions of kilometers away would become part of everyday life. Yet humans have always explored the impossible. We crossed oceans, we climbed the highest mountains, we landed on the moon. Maybe one day, we'll build cities on Mars too. Children might grow up under a red sky. Schools, hospitals, and entire communities could exist on another planet. Mars would no longer be just a destination, it would become home. But here's the question. If you had the chance to live on Mars forever, would you leave Earth behind? Let me know your answer in the comments.